Hello everyone, this is me Arvind. Uh, I'm going to talk about the learnings that I'm going through. Actually, there is one thing that has been very profound and is being said by one of my greatest teacher and living legend whom I follow. And through him, I got to know that if you want to inbuild something, some learnings in you, like immersing that, you can learn anything from others. But to get out something or implement it fully, if you teach the same to others, it will it will be automatic that it will get into you. So here I am going to talk about a book that I was recently read. The name of the book is 80% Mindset and 20% Skills. So if I talk about what is this book all about, actually, as the name signifies, the author concentrates about the rich mindset. If you want to do anything and excel in life, mindset plays an important role. Actually, it's the most important thing besides the talent or the skill you have. Because if you don't have the right mindset, you will not be able to climb the ladder of your life. So, if I talk about the author, he is from a very humble family, lower middle class family, and through his hard work and dedication, he is able to get the decent job and he excelled in his career. And after living the life of a comfort life, actually, he is having like good social life, family life, but something is missing that is pinching him every time. So what he did, he he tried to learn new things, and he found actually a teacher and he followed him dedicatedly. So what happened is he got to know few things. Actually, he studied the multi-millionaires, and about the things that they do, that things that are required, and their habits. So this book is means basically the essence of the learnings that he after the study of the multi-millionaires or billionaires. So actually this book is divided into basically three parts. First one is realization, second one is implementation, and third one is sustainability. If I talk about the book, it's been divided in majorly these three parts. So first part is like realization. As it is been said by many profound people, like there are two very important days in our life. The first day is when we born, and the second day is, there any guesses? Yes, the second day is when you find your why. Why are you here? Why are you even born here in this planet? So basically he talked about the passion or the purpose of life. He talked about that in first section, and then he talked about the implementation part. You get to know the purpose, passion of yours. It's not easy, it's not like a one day thing to find out your purpose. It's actually the set of things that you need to analyze, the questions that you need to asking yourself, exercises you need to do every time, and in return, in due time, definitely you will get to know what is the thing that you are passionate about, and that also, following that, you can also generate your income. So second part is implementation. He talked about the implementation part, like what is the most important part, and according to him it is massive action takers. Yes, immediate massive action takers. So if you get to learn something, it's not it's not going to you know sufficient for you. So important part is that you implement it that time itself, then only it is going to get you beneficial benefits in further. And at last he talked about the sustainability, consistency or persistence also we can name it these. So he talked about that if we there are people that who get to you get to they get to motivated from the various things, but what happen in due time they are not able to sustain it. So he talked about that if you have passion and your purpose, some purpose, then you it is not going to you are not you don't need to be get pushed. Your passion will push you, your purpose will push you. So these things are very profound. I loved reading this book. And he talked about the ways so that you can sustain the things that you have learned and you can put these things in your daily life. So these are the basic things that he talked about. He also talked about there are many things that I cannot summarize it in a 10 minutes video. So I think people, if you are if you are anywhere in the level in your business life or in your job, you should read this book. It will definitely will get something out of it. I get I get a lot of things. At last, we talked about the transformation. We talked about transformation in 9 days. So actually, it's the few habits that he talked about, the few things that he did in the morning that he implemented. He talked about a little about that. So where it could be you can actually see the change in yourself that I that I saw in myself, and I'm continuing the that thing. So people, do if you are like if you want to build healthy mindset, if you want to excel in life in whatever phase, if you are a student, if you are in your career, so in any level you are, you can find this book useful, and it will make you work on yourself and get the outcome, the result that you have not achieved till now. So this is it. Actually, I'm starting my channel. I'm YouTube channel. Actually, I got this, you know, motivation, or you can say through him that it's the best thing that you teach others. You know, it's a two-sided relationship. Actually, I get to learn the things that I implemented, and the people also who is hearing all these things, they also get benefited from it. So actually, I'm loving it. So if you want to be a part of my journey, be with me, and you know how you can be with me. Do like and to subscribe my channel if you want to get more reviews, because I'm a avid reader, and I'm learning new things. And actually, if why books reading is very important too, I will conclude it with it. Books reading is very important. Actually, we invest in a lot, you know, here somewhere, but we are not we are not ready to give our time in book reading. And why, actually I will explain why it is that much important in your life. Actually, books, what are books? If I define, they are the summary, or they are the summary of the hard work of one people of many years. So this one thing can give you mind blowing. So it's a very good habit to read books. This is it for time being. Stay happy, stay healthy. Thank you.